Hi grade 6 and welcome to your first daily math video. I know we haven't been doing videos for the other daily math questions, but the question for today is a little bit tricky. So what I want to do is go through at least the first couple steps of this type of question so that you know what's expected of you, and hopefully you can take it from there and finish the question on your own. So for today's question, it is your job to figure out who of a group of 5 people finished in which place in it's a swimming race. All right, and you're given 2 things to help you figure that out. You are given, first of all, a chart that I have reproduced for you on this video, and then also some clues down at the bottom of the page. And you're going to be using those clues and using logic to figure out who finished in which place. So let's go through the first couple of clues together so you can see how this works. The first clue is actually a really nice clue. It starts off by saying Susan finished the race in 2nd place. So it already gives you one of the places. So what we're going to do is in the chart up above, you are going to find the name Susan, and then you're going to take a pencil and write a yes in the box that lines up with Susan and 2nd place. Okay, that shows that Susan finished in 2nd place. Then what you can also do is put X's in the rest of the 2nd column. And the reason for that is if Susan finished 2nd place, then Janice, Maria, Jennifer, and Emily, none of those people could also finish in 2nd place. They have to be in different places in the race. So we can put X's in that box because we know that those 4 people did not finish in 2nd place because Susan did. Okay, then let's look at the next clue. The swimmers who placed 1st and 4th have names that start with the same letter. So if we look at our people, we have here Janice and Jennifer that both start with J. So what we know from this second clue is that Janice or Jennifer finished in 1st, and Janice or Jennifer finished in 4th. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a look at Janice. So we don't know about 1st. Okay, well, that's meant to be a question mark. Sorry, it's messy. I'm using my finger. It's a little hard to be precise. So we don't know if Janice finished 1st, so we can leave that box blank. But we know for sure she didn't finish in 3rd or 5th because we know that the swimmers who placed 1st and 4th have names that start with the same letter. So we know Janice was either 1st or 4th. And we can do the same thing for Jennifer. We know she didn't place in 3rd or 5th. Okay? So we know that Janice or Jennifer has to be 1st or 4th. Now, we can't stop there with that clue. There's actually more Xing off that we can do with that clue. Because we know that Janice or Jennifer is going to place 1st or 4th, we know that Maria, Emily, and I guess I forgot a step. If Susan placed 2nd, she couldn't place 1st, 3rd, 4th, or 5th. So we can X off all of those boxes. So let's go back to Janice and Jennifer. Because they placed in 1st and 4th, we know that Maria can't place in 1st or 4th. Well, and I'm giving a lot of this away. That's okay, it's the first one. And we also know that Emily can't place in 1st or 4th either. Okay, so hopefully you can read the last 2 clues and figure out from there where everybody else placed. As soon as you know for sure where somebody placed, you put a yes in that box. And as soon as you know for sure a place that somebody didn't finish, you put an X in that box. All right, so feel free to just go through and copy what we've done together on this video and then finish up the rest of the question on your own.